Hello everyone. Welcome back. Some people may ask, why people can't hear me on my iPhone? So in today's video I'll show you guys how to fix this. Method 1. Check microphone. First, you should test if your microphone is working. Opening the voice memo app. Tap the record button. Speak to the bottom mic. Then playback the recording. If you couldn't hear yourself, then callers won't be able to hear you. Because something wrong is about your Merc phone. You should go to Apple support and repair it. Method 2. Check Bluetooth. Go to Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Check if a device has connected to your iPhone. If so, then you need to turn off Bluetooth, or your speaker will not be able to accept other people's voices. Method 3. Restart iPhone. Press and hold the sleep button until you get an option to slide to power off appears on your screen. And turn it on after a few seconds. Usually this is able to fix most of the bugs. Method 4. Reset network settings. Settings. General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here tap on Reset Network Settings. In the pop-up window tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Your network settings are your call settings. So you can try this method. Okay, here is today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you can tell us in the comment section. Stay tuned for our next videos.